Happy birthday, Chloe. I put together this special video just for you to celebrate your 10th birthday. I hope you enjoy. Hi. What are you doing, crazy?
Baby.
Baby, that's you. As you've grown, your spirit has shined brighter with each passing day, filling our lives with love and laughter.
Good job!
From the very first moment you entered our lives, Chloe, you brought the world joy and happiness. What are you stressing about? Is Carson nine-nine? You've shown us that kindness isn't just a word, it's a way of life. Your actions inspire us all. Chloe, I hope you enjoy this surprise video that I made for you. In the next few clips, you're gonna see all of your friends and family wishing you a happy 10th birthday. I just want you to know how loved you are and how special you are to the world. I hope you enjoy.
Chloe, it's your 10th birthday. Woohoo! Woohoo!
Happy double digits.
Pepper
Happy
says,
birthday, Chloe
Happy
Jane.
birthday! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Chloe. Happy birthday to you. Woo! Woo!
Happy birthday, Chloe. Have a great day.
Hey there, Chloe. My name's Ellie. I'm your father's friend. He tells me that it's your birthday, so I wanted to wish you a very happy birthday. And I wanted to say that I enjoy seeing you in your father's videos all the time. And I wish you happiness. I wish you health. I wish you an amazing year. And keep smiling and keep doing good. Congratulations on this amazing day.
Happy birthday, Chloe, from the Semenko family.
Hey, Chloe. I just wanted to say happy birthday, and I hope you have the best day ever, and I cannot believe that you're so old. I am dying.
Happy birthday, Chloe. We all love you from the Bagel Factory.
Happy birthday, Sourface. Hey, Sally. Happy birthday. Welcome to the Double Digit Club.
Hey girl, hey! Happy birthday! Favorite niece.
Hi, Chloe. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, you're double digits now.
You'd be 10 years old. 6 years from driving a car and 8 years from going to Swinomi's with Grandpa. That'd be fun.
Have a happy birthday. Love you.
Let's sing. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Chloe.
Happy birthday to you. And many more.
And many more.
Love you. Bye.
Thank you.
Happy birthday, Chloe.
Happy 10th birthday, Chloe.
Happy 10th birthday, Chloe.
Happy birthday, Chloe. What your favorite thing I like about you? You're sometimes funny, and you always like to play Roblox with me, like Livetopia, a lot of games, Cabin Simulator, other games too. Happy birthday, Chloe. Bye.
Happy birthday, Chloe. We hope you have a great day. Love you and can't wait to celebrate at Taylor Swift.
Happy birthday, Chloe. Happy birthday, Chloe.
Happy 10th birthday, Chloe. We love you.
Happy birthday, Chloe.
Chloe, happy birthday. I hope you have a great birthday and that it's really fun and happy. Hopefully Carson has a good time too. Anyways, hope you have a good birthday. Bye.
Happy birthday, Chloe. We miss you. Happy birthday, Chloe.
Hi, Chloe. Happy birthday. You made it to the big 1-0. Woohoo! You are so sweet and kind. Don't ever change. I'll see you at school. Bye.
Happy birthday, Chloe. Happy birthday, Chloe.
Happy birthday, Chloe. We miss you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy
Birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Chloe. Happy birthday to you.
Yay!
We love you, Chloe.
Happy Chloe.
Happy birthday, Chloe, from Big Scoop.
Happy birthday, Chloe.
Happy birthday, Chloe. I hope you have a wonderful birthday and another year down. On to number 11.
Happy birthday, Chloe.
Happy 10th birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Chloe. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Chloe. I really hope you have an amazing, awesome day. I'm turning 9. She's not turning 9? Oh. How old is she turning? Oh, yeah, she's turning 10. She's turning 10. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Double digits. All right, happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Chloe. My favorite thing to do with you is play Roblox with you. And have a great birthday. Happy 10th birthday, Chloe. I hope you have a good day. Thank you for being a good friend. Bye.
Happy 10th birthday, Chloe. Love you.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Chloe. You blow kisses? Mwah. Oh, say you. It's your birthday. Happy birthday, Chloe.
Happy birthday, Chloe.
Happy 10th birthday, Chloe. I can't believe you're 10 today. I love you so much.